Radhe Radhe everyone. Can you find employees who earn more than their own managers using SQL? This question appears frequently in interviews, and the solution uses a powerful concept called self join. So, our main question is find employees whose salary is greater than their manager's salary. For that, we have to create one table called employee. So, the query is create table employee. In parentheses, we have to mention the column names and their data types. Okay, employee ID, which is a primary key of a table, name, which is a varchar of a data type, salary, int, and manager ID is also int. After that, we have to insert some values in that table according to the column name. So insert into employee. The column names are employee ID, name, salary, and manager ID. And these are the values which we have to insert in the table. So let's take a look of our table. Yes, we got our table. Employee ID is 1, 2, 3, 4. Name of employees are Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, and the salary of each employee. And this is the manager ID. Okay. Now we have a single employee table, and each employee has manager ID, which refers to another employee in the same table. Here, manager ID is self-referencing foreign key pointing to employee ID of the same table. To getting the answer of this question, find employees whose salary is greater than their manager's salary, we have to write one query. For getting the result, we have to use here self-join in our query. Why self-join is required? Since both employee and manager information exist in same table, we join table with itself. This is called self-join. For that, we have to select statement. Then we use aliases here. E dot name as employee name E dot salary as employee salary, comma M dot name as manager and M dot salary as manager salary. In self-join condition, aliases, aliases, aliases. I don't know the proper pronunciation. Sorry. If you know the proper pronunciation and the spelling, please let me know in the comment box. Okay. So why aliases are important in self-join? Even though it's the same table, we use two aliases here. E represents the employee, M represents the manager. Aliases split the table into two virtual copies labeled employee as E and manager as M. Let's move to our further part. we have to get this data from employee license as E. Self join employee as M on the basis of on E dot manager ID equal to M dot employee ID, and we have to make condition over here to get the employee whose salary is greater than his manager's salary. So condition is where E dot salary should be greater than M dot salary. Okay. So now let's run this query. Okay, we got the error over here. Let's look. Oh, sorry, my bad. I took here the wrong name of a column. It's AMP ID. Now let's run this query. Save that. Okay. Yes, we got the output. Okay. The employee name is Charlie. Charlie, whose salary is 95,000, and his manager is Alice, whose salary is less than his employee, which is 90,000. And second one is David here, whose salary is 70,000, which is greater than his manager, whose salary is 60,000. Yes, we got the result. If you like this video, hit the like button and share these videos to your friends. And to getting these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.